Hi everyone, it's been a long time, almost 3 years there is no video on this channel. Apologize for that, and if you have been subscribing to this channel for so long, thank you so much and appreciate your love and support. Life has got busy and I was occupied. I'm not here to make excuses. So this time I'm back with a plan, really with a great plan, so that we can able to move ahead with great content on this channel. So why am I coming back? The US market has changed a lot in the last 3 years. The hiring process is different, the tools is different, the market has changed a lot. But the people are still learning the old techniques, methods, but I wanted to give the updated knowledge on the US recruitment process. The biggest reason is this: even after 3 years, the people are still watching my old videos. That made me so happy, and that shows your love and support on me and my channel. That's the biggest reason that I wanted to come back and give it back to the community with the updated stuff and the updated information so that you can learn. This channel is anyone who is working in the recruitment profession, whether you are a US recruitment professional, US IT recruitment professional, Indian recruitment professional, or you are working in the UK recruitment professional, or healthcare recruiter, or non-tech recruiter, or whatever the recruitment profession you are doing, this channel is for you and you're always welcome. And this is your hub so that you can stay updated on each and every part of the recruitment stuff which is going on. And if you're also a business owner who is trying to buy some products like your ATS, CRMs, and whatever the products which your company needs, we will also do a review on those products so that it will also give you a beforehand knowledge so that you can able to take decision upon it. And if you're starting your career just now, you will learn all the basics from the start till the advanced thing. And if you're already been working in the recruitment industry since so long, you will learn the advanced techniques, tools, and all the things which is needed you to make a successful. No matter where you're working from, you're always welcome here. This is the hub for the recruitment professionals. So this time the schedule is very simple. We are going to post the video thrice a week, that is on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. On top of it, you're gonna see a short video which is also coming up every day showing the nitty-gritties of the recruitment process. So that stay tuned and make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell icon, and so that whenever we release a video, so that you don't miss it. So what you will learn from this channel, it's all about from the basics till the advanced thing which has happened and which has been trending in this industry since last 3 years. So we almost cover all the basics in our channel. If you haven't still watched our old videos, please go ahead and watch our old videos. I'll put it everything in the description. I'll pin it in the first comment so that you can check it out. And most probably we will be covering about US visas, tax terms, recruitment process, and how you can able to source the candidates, ATS reviews, CRMs, and screening processes, calling process, how you can able to do a clean call, email etiquettes, and so on. These are all basics, but we will cover all the advanced recruitment stuff as well. And along with this, I hope you've been waiting for about the AI recruitment process. So we will be doing a very clean, detailed videos going forward on the AI recruitment so that you can able to learn if you still haven't learned, or if you are trying to get new things into the recruitment using AI. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos on AI recruitment and AI workflows, agentic recruitment, and how can you create your own agents so that you can run your workflows as simple as possible. So this is all you're gonna learn, and apart from this, you're gonna get a lot more information about the market trends, HR laws happening in India, US, Canada, and throughout the world, so that you will be updated every now and then, so you don't need to depend on any other sources. And whatever the information we are bringing, we will keep it 100% accurate as possible, so that you don't be misguided on the information. That's all for today. I'm happy to be, and if you have been with me since beginning, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. And if you just subscribed or you're just watching our videos, welcome to the channel, and you will see the videos coming up every Tuesday, Thursday and Friday going forward, and every short video every day in the nitty-gritties of recruitment process. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Still, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any video when I post. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.